Hi everyone. Let us start with algebra exercise 3.1 and question number 5 today. So add the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. So first of all we have to add these two polynomials. Let us start adding the polynomials. We are given two polynomials p of x and q of x. So the solution will be we have to do p of x plus q of x. So first of all, let us write what is p of x. What is p of x? 6x square minus 7x plus 2, and then you have to add. So since it is adding, I'm not putting any brackets, I'm writing it as such. So 6x cube minus 7x plus 15. So what is going to happen here is we can add. While adding, you have to make sure that you have to add only the equals or same power polynomials together. Others you write it as such, which means, see here you have got x power 3. Do you have any other x power 3s here? No. So write that x power 3 as such, 6x power 3. Now again, if you go to x power 2, there is only one x power 2. So write that 6x power 2 as such. Don't do anything. Now, if you go to x, you have got two things in x. One is minus 7x and another minus 7x. Now, what we can do is you have to add these two together, which means you have to add your minus 7 and your minus 7. Write the coefficients and then put your x. Okay. So now you have got your constant term, which is 2 plus 15. So what is 2 plus 15? Yes, 17. So when you are adding, you have to only add those coefficients of same powers. Otherwise, write it as such. So here we can write it as 6x cube plus 6x square plus minus of minus 7 is minus 14, right? And then x plus your answer 17. So this is your result, addition result. So now you are asked to find also the degree of the resultant polynomial. Whatever result you have got, you have to find out the degree. So what is the degree of the polynomial? Degree means you have to go with the highest degree term, highest term. So which is the highest term here? It is this. It has a degree of 3. 3 is the highest power here. Here 2 also is there. 1 is also is there. So since 3 is the highest, degree of the polynomial is equal to 3. So this is your answer. The answer is you have to add it and then you have to find the degree of the polynomial. So with this, let's move on to the next question. The second question is h of x is equal to 7x cube minus 6x, and there is f of x also. So let us start the solution. Similar to the previous question, what we have to do, add the polynomials. So write your polynomial in our representations, h of x plus f of x. Okay. Then write those polynomials with a plus symbol in between, which is 7x cube minus 6x plus 1. This is your h of x. Since it is addition, just put the plus symbol and then write the f of x. 7x square plus 17x minus 9. So then the next step will be you have to check the polynomial with the highest degree. Here we have got only 7x cube. There is no other x cube. So write it as such. Then write your x square. That is your plus 7x square. Then what we have to do is go to x. So in x we have got 1 minus 6 and also 1 plus 17. So that will be plus 17 into x. Then you have to go to your constant terms. So that will be what you have to got in the constant terms, a 1 and the minus 9. So put the plus symbol. What is 1 minus 9? It will be minus 8. You can write directly also. Remember what is 1 minus 9? That is equal to minus 8. So put your minus 8 as x. So do remember, add only like terms together. Others you leave it as such. So this will be 7x cube plus 7x square, and then for x you have to do this. What is minus 16 and plus 17? That will be a put the highest biggest number symbol done and then subtract both. That will be your plus 11x and your minus 8. So now you have arrived at your answer. So from the answer, what you have to do? You have to find the degree. So can you say the degree of this polynomial? Yes. The degree of the polynomial is nothing but is your highest degree. So what is the highest degree I have got here? 3. So degree of the resultant or the addition polynomial is 3. Hope you understood this. Just write both and keep adding only like terms together or the equal powers coefficients together. Okay. Let us move on to the third question. So let us move on to the final part of this question. So in this question, let us start our solution. We have to do, yes, we have to add both f of x and your g of x. So write it as f of x plus g of x is equal to, write f of x first, 16x power 4 minus 5x plus 9. This is your f of x. Then write your g of x plus your, here you have got minus 6x cube. So if you want, you can put bracket or you can directly put your minus 6x square as such because you are going to add minus 6x cube plus 7x minus 15. So now also do add only the powers with equal powers together. I mean the coefficients of equal powers. So here we have got only 1x power 4. So put it as such. Then let's move on to x power 3. There is only 1x power 3. Put it as such. And then now if you move to x square, this is x square. So write the question carefully. So now write this x square term minus 5 x square and this is also done. Now if you move to an x, you have got only one term of x. So write that x also as such. Now we have got 9 and a minus 15. So what is 9 minus 15? Put the biggest number symbol and subtract both. If you subtract both, what you'll get? 6. So write it as such. Okay. Now this is our resultant polynomial. You have to find your degree. Don't forget the question. You have to find your degree also. Degree means the highest power. So which is the highest power here? We have got 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 is the highest. So degree of the resultant polynomial is 4. If you understood this question, I'll give a clear note to the next slide. Just keep on adding. Okay. Thank you.